A video by Abron. This is light source which is used in different instruments in photocell or solar cell characteristic or Planck's constant and other study. So this is variable. We have the variable light where we can change, increase the light. This variable is there, on off switch is there, and then you can put this. This is adjustable, angle is adjustable. You can make it tight, or if you have to use it, put the bulb, so you have to open it and bring it to the front, so that then it is easy to fit, and then you can tight both the sides. This is anti-clockwise and this is clockwise direction. You can adjust the angle, set the setting, and see this is very useful for working experiments. Please visit the website, and this is our email abron01@gmail.com and info@abronexports.com. WhatsApp number, this website is abronexports.com, and then WhatsApp number is 9416020018. You can see the videos, share the videos, like the videos. Thank you very much. This is a part of the instrument which is Planck's constant or inverse square law. That's why we will have another video. You can see that and study that. Share the videos, like the videos, and send it to others also. Thank you very much.